Okay, just picked up this beautiful Yamaha RD350 1982 matching number bike, and in this blue with white, very rare. You don't find them a lot, so will be on the website I think in a couple of days and for sale. So okay, first blue one we have. Huh?
Yep.
What a beauty. Someone will going to be very happy with this one. Exhausts are really perfect, no dents. Even the tail is back original. Well, okay. If you're interested, contact me. Visit the website VintageMotorcycles.nl, and if you like the video, please subscribe on the YouTube channel. And thank you for watching again. Bye bye.